Good afternoon everybody. Welcome to another episode of Tools for Jewels. Now, I showed you the ring holders from a previous video, which was these two systems with a single post. So what I've done, I've borrowed the expanding collet from this one, and I've put it into this one that I've just made this afternoon. So I'll run through. It's fairly simple to make. So we've got a GRS standard engravers block, and what I've done, I've got these 4 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, they're all made out of 14mm stainless steel, and on the bottom of these posts I've drilled 2 holes with 1/4 inch and pressed these 2 1/4 inch spigots in basically. And it really is a simple one, this one. Everything's 1/4 inch, 1/4 inch tapers on both sides, on both posts, and again the little collet from before. So put the ring on, slide the things in, no need for any screws, slide it into the vise itself, and then with the aid of the normal Allen key, you tighten it up, and that's it. You can turn it round to work on it, etc., and that's it. It's quite a simple tool. Again, around about £10 to make that, and it will take this one from yesterday. That one, the actual middle there fits in as well, so it's all multiple exchangeable. And right, what else was I going to explain? Right, the other thing was, with this width I have here and this large gap between the jaws, I'm going to make some more holders for holding bangles. So I'm going to make some bigger holders, one for the thermal block, where you can mount a bracelet or a continuous ring, open or closed, etc. And it's going to be a versatile tool. It's quite tall, but it's not as small as little micro blocks, but you can actually put this further down on a load bracket to work on it, and it gives you plenty of room to work around it, you know, for holding things. So that's taken me about 2 hours to make that, and another tool for jewels. There's not a lot really to say about it, but that's basically it. I didn't film making this one, but it's quite easy to understand. That's the same collet as before, with the 3 jaws, and no screws needed, no threads, just everything's nice and accurately line bored and drilled, and fits in. Centralise it, the actual shaft itself, and then, as you can see there, the jaws expand to accommodate. That's quite a large ring, that one, so it'll go up to the end of these tapers, open up to quite a large ring. Even a thumb ring would fit on that one, and again the smaller one for doing right down to the smaller sizes. So in reality I only need 2 really, this one and the dowel ring. I might make a one for, I might make a stepped one which comes down in steps for doing rings as well, or other things. So that's about it for this afternoon. It's just, the sun's set and it's just getting dark, so I've just been called in by her indoors for a cup of tea, so I will leave the video there, and thank everybody again for watching. Bye for now.